Alright, so this is a video to explain to you how best to whiten your teeth. So, step one, make sure that your trays are clean and dry. And the reason for that is if they're wet, it can dilute the whitening solution and you won't get an effective result. Step two, make sure your teeth are clean. Brush them before you start, and also just dab them dry with a tissue just to make sure saliva on your teeth doesn't dilute the whitening solution too. So once you've cleaned your teeth, dried your tray, you're ready for the next step, and that is to put the gel into the tray. Now the key thing is you want to know which teeth you are whitening, and that can vary from how many teeth you show when you smile. So sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 8. What you want to do is speak to your dentist and get advice on which teeth to whiten. So once your teeth are clean and you're ready to whiten your teeth, what you want to do is load the gel into the tray. Now, the question I always get is, how big does the gel need to be on the tooth? And the answer to that is half the size of a grain of rice. So think of a grain of rice and half it, very simple. And put that little dot into each tooth you're whitening. Don't put a continuous line, put a dot into each tooth, and you want to aim just for the middle of the tooth. Okay, so once the trays are loaded, you're ready to put them onto your teeth, and that's very simple. Squish on slowly, and when you swish on, watch in the mirror to make sure you see the gel rise to the top of the tooth. What you may see is that the gel squeezes out of the whitening tray. If that happens, do not panic. All you need to do is just wipe that excess off with the tissue and you're good to go. So once you place your whitening trays in your mouth over your teeth, you then wear them for the prescribed time. And that's either all night whilst you sleep if you've gone for the nighttime whitening, or just during the day for 90 minutes if you've gone for the daytime whitening. So after your whitening is complete and you've done the allotted time, you then take the tray out, wash the tray with warm water, not hot because it could melt the tray, and then rinse your teeth as well with water just to get the gel out of your mouth.